How's it going, everybody? It's Adam coming to you with a company that has a lot of potential, extremely undervalued. I see this company in the double digits very soon. The company is currently considered a penny stock. However, with my modest opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, I can see this company in the double digits very soon. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about what the company does and which big brands have been purchasing products from this company and their financials, and who has been buying into the company, the insider activity, and also the price targets that I see for the short term, long term, and mid-term. Let's get started. So the company that I want to talk to you about is a company called SGBX, ticker symbol SGBX. And what the company really does is that they turn shipping containers into houses, offices, restaurants. They just make it basically livable, a place where you can just live in or stay in. Now, I'm not going to go into details about how this would solve the mortgage problem that we currently have in the US, but I would leave that for you to think about. So again, all that they do is basically they take shipping containers and they make houses where people can actually just purchase and live in, or turn it into an office where people can just work inside of, or they actually turn it into a place where people can go in and shop. So it could be a cafe, it could be a restaurant. Now you might ask the question, why exactly are they using containers to make construction instead of anything else? Why are they letting go of like bricks and cement and they're basically replacing it with recyclable containers? The company itself answers the questions by saying, not only are containers considered environmental friendly, but also they will save you time and money if you're working on a budget. And that in and of itself might be the solution to the problem we have with the mortgage in the United States alone. So if you basically compare the regular construction to the one done by SGBX, you will see that shipping containers built by SGBX would save you 40% when it comes to time, and it will also save you 10 to 20% construction cost. The company itself cited more reasons as to why using containers is better than actually regular construction. They have said that it's environmentally green, so basically it's environmental friendly, it doesn't do any harm to the environment, and it's scalable and reconfigurable, meaning you can break it down, reassemble it. So if you have a house and you want to turn it into an office, you can call them, you can hire your own engineer or basically construction workers, have them break it down for you and reassemble it to a different format. And one of the best reasons I love it is the fact that it's actually mobile and portable. So basically, if you live in a neighborhood and you do not wish to live there anymore, you can have the house transported into a different location and call that the new neighborhood. And the two more reasons is the low energy utilization and high energy efficiency. Now, who has been adapting this type of product? Basically huge brands like Lacoste, Taco Bell, Puma, Starbucks, and in fact the US Army, the US Department of Force, the US Marines, and the list goes on. Now let's go into some financials. According to the balance sheet, they have about $30 million cash on hand. They have zero in debt. They got zero in debt. That's a big deal. I'm going to mention to you why in a second. But they also have a total backlog for the year 2021 of $24.8 million. The word backlog means projects they are expected to deliver on in the year 2021 and receive the money in return for the completion of these projects. So the reason zero debt is a big deal is because whenever the company makes any profit, they do not have to pay anything in debt, and they don't have any interest expense eating into their cash flow. The moment they finish their backlog and they get the $24.8 million, it will get added directly into their income statement, and it will just add more value to the company, sending the share price even higher and making us investors happier. Now let's see who has been buying into the company. If you look at Yahoo Finance, close to 13% of shares are held by insiders, meaning people that work inside the company itself believe in it so much to the point that they have accumulated what is worth 13% of the shares. So basically, I draw the line when I see about 5% insider activity. I love to see about 5 or even more. And you can see that 12.02% held by institutions. Now, if I were to give this company any price targets for the short, mid, and long term, don't take this as a financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor, but I believe this company can easily be over $10 within the next few months, and also in between $15 and $20 within the next year or so. Now, the last piece of news that I want to leave you with is that we're going to be starting a Patreon group very soon in which you can see when I buy and sell and make everything transparent to you guys. With that being said, it's been a pleasure talking to you guys. You've been with Adam Invest. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification button, as I did not want to annoy you by saying that at the beginning of the video. Leave a comment to let me know what do you think of the company, if you actually think about getting into the company, if you're already in. Stay safe, stay well, make money. See you next video.